The Prophet ﷺ says, خِيَارُكُمْ أَحَاسِنُكُمْ أَخْلَاقًا. The best from amongst you are those who are best in character and conduct. Where's your character? You think because you're a person whom Allah gave something, whether it's wealth or knowledge or looks or whatever it may be, position, that you have the right to disregard akhlaq for a minute in order to project something you want to say? When the Prophet ﷺ spoke to Abu Jahl with respect, he spoke to Al-Akhnas ibn Shurayq with respect, he spoke to Abu Sufyan before he was a Muslim with respect. That's why a lot of them came to the deen.